Hello everyone. Today I will show you on how to pin the task to the list. So for example, in this application Word, you can pin all the open files here, so it will be permanent. Like you don't need to search it from the file explorer. You don't need to search it. Just right click on this icon here, and that file can be easily be opened. But the problem with this pin that the task in the list, they reduced that one. Microsoft reduced this one to be limited. Unlike the Windows 7, it has more where you can, there is a settings only on this button here on the right click. Like you can adjust it, but in the Windows 10, you need to adjust it on the registry. So you need to tweak it. It's a bit difficult. So to do this one, actually for the registry editor, this is the very dangerous if you don't know how to manage it, because once you uh, delete something on the item on the registry, then it will screw up your machine. Maybe that application will not run, or the Windows itself will not run because you touch the items related to the Windows. So it is advisable that you should um, do this one when you are confident enough, or do this with the one who knows how to change the items on the registry. So here, the number of pins that we can, the number of tasks that we can pin here on the list, like the number of files that you open here on the list, is only very limited. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have to add more, uh, 9, 10, 11. So if we will open more here, like this, what is in the list? From 15 down to, so there is no 6. So we have to open the 6. So what will happen here if you open the 6? It's not even showing here that you open it, because it's already reached to the limit. So how we will tweak that one? So we'll go to the registry. So to go to the registry, you have to click, you have to go here on the search bar. So there is registry editor. And to change the registry, you must be an administrator, or your account is an administrator, is a member of the administrator group. Okay, so click this one, and we will go to the each key current user, and we'll go to the software, and we'll go to Microsoft Windows, current version, Explorer, and the last one is advanced. So this is the navigator. So we came from the HK current user, software, Microsoft Windows, current version, Explorer, advanced. So here you have to add the item called jump list items underscore maximum. So how to add that one? So you have to right click in here, then new, then select the word 32-bit value. Then you have to type jump list items. So you have to follow the naming convention, like it should start with the capital letter and underscore maximum. Correct, it should be a correct spelling with exacting, there's no extra space. So you have to be accurate. Okay, that's it. So if we're going to double check here, so jump list items maximum. So we'll say like we want to display that it will accept like the list item should, we have to adjust it like from 11 we have to put like 32 items, or if you want more like 40 items, because this decimal is a normal count. It's a decimal, you have to study how the computer system work, computer data works. So you have to think of the decimal only, just like the ordinary counting. Okay, so for example 40, so the value now is 40. So how we will do this one, we have to, I think we have to restart to take effect. So we'll restart here. Okay, we already restarted the machine. So we will check again if that adjustment is taking effect already. Okay, so you have to type here. You can see here the word also keep on disappearing when we restart. So if you want to pin this application also, just right click on this one and pin to taskbar, so it will be permanent available on the taskbar. So here you can see that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Earlier it was 11 is the maximum, right? So then the recent one came up. This is the last file that we opened. So if I will pin this one, now it is pinning. So that means the adjustment has been taking effect. So now the limit now should be 40, right? So we adjusted it to 40. So for example, we have to add more. So what is not here on the list? So from 6, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So I have to add the 3 to 1 up to 0. So 3 to 1. So I have to open this one. And I have to open this one. We'll see. See, it is added now. So that means that that list items has been adjusted. So if we will add more, so the 2 is there. No, 2 is not there. So 2 and 0. So if we're going to right click, now the 2 and the 0. So if I will add the 2 and the no index, so it's coming up. So how about if we will add more? So what is next? 16. So I think 16 is there. 16. Is there 16? Wait, we have to go to that file. Is there a 16? Yeah, there is 16. And there is 17. So we'll click here. Okay. 16, 17, 16. So we can add more. Up to, because we put 40, right? So if we put 40, so that means it can accept up to 40 items to be listed here. So the good thing for this one, it is not only for the Word application. It is for any application like, for example, Excel. If in Excel you have to create save as also and browse it to the documents. So doc book 1, another one save as, this is book 2, and this is book 3, and this is book 4, book 5, book 6, book 7, book 8, book 9, book 10. Okay, we'll go there on the Explorer. So you'll try to copy this one, like copy and paste it. There's no paste, right? So we'll go to the here, paste it. So now it will become duplicates, right? So there are 20. So we should be able to insert these 20 items. So here, there is also pin to taskbar. That means this icon will not be removed in the taskbar. So you have to pin it here. And see, we already opened the 10. So we can book all of them, like 1, 2, we can pin all of them. Because the limit, default limit for the Windows 10 is 11 items. So we have to open this one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So see, where's the 10 here? Okay, where is the 10? Did I open 10? Okay, so 10 is there. So if we're going to pin all of them, so the total will be 20. So see now, the maximum number of file that can be pinned here, the maximum will be 40, so up to there. So now it has been adjusted for any application, even this I think, oh wait, no, for any application that you can pin also. Another pin the application is here. Not only the application, so for example in the file, if you want to for example put this one, okay, so quick access. So for example, you have to pin the videos to be in quick access. So it will become here, it will not be removed once it is pinned on the quick access. So if you go to Explorer, it is always appearing here. So whatever the folder that you created, for example, you created something like on your desktop, you created like my files. So if your files are these files, aside from the documents or your favorite files or something, so if you want to paste here, okay, then I want to put that my files to be in the quick access, so I just put pinning the files and the folders. So see, it will come here. So you don't need to browse it. Once you click the file explorer, this one, once you click this one, it is always available. So even here you can see it's already available, so because this is already pinned in the file explorer. So once you click it, so you will get your files immediately. So the same thing as this one, so pinning the items, pinning the files, that is very useful in here, because you don't need to repeat the searching again. So it's very quick, it's very useful. So I hope this is informative to you, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and share it. Thank you very much. Bye.